Alright, Year 5, this next one is for the rid of the Black Panther is evidence against. I'm hoping that this works. I've tried to do this a couple of times now, but the system is very slow. Okay, again, there's a story of going around about a Black Panther. It's roaming the bush near the town of Flotsam. You are a reporter working for a TV station. You have been asked to do a story on the rumour. Begin. Okay, before trying to take the photo. Remember me say we couldn't do this one? I probably still can't, but hey, give it a go. Nope. I got one, so that's enough for me. Okay. Welcome to the Channel 6 meeting room. The producer of Tonight with Steve wants you to do a story about the Black Panther rumour for this very popular current affairs show. The story is so big that even Steve is at the meeting.
We've heard a wild story about a Black Panther roaming around in the bush near Flotsam. They're saying that it's terrifying the town.
Okay.
We want you to do a story on it. Show the viewers that there's no Black Panther at all. It's just a silly story someone's spreading around.
So here again now we go what you need to do. Select the item that shows there is no truth in a Black Panther story. Arrange the item to make them fit your storyline and write the script. Okay.
Go first to our video library. Look at our items on the Black Panther story. Find the 5 items that will work best to show viewers that there is no Black Panther roaming around in the bush near Flotsam.
Each item has questions to help you decide whether to use that item. Good luck.
So you enter the library, click on the computer. Again, okay, it's the checklist that you get, okay, for the segment and edit. Those 2 words comes up very often, doesn't it? So the words, okay, witness to reports that cast doubt. Okay, this is where it suggests that something isn't true. And a Black Panther story, word and phrase that suggest there is no Black Panther near Flotsam. Okay, images, small, unthreatening cat images, interesting looking witnesses. What does witnesses mean? Someone who sees and hears something happens. Okay, all viewers won't believe. Bright, cheerful setting that won't frighten viewers. Setting, it's a place where action happens. Something seen. Okay, sound, bright, cheerful voices, calm voices, audible voices, and sound effect with a clear meaning. We both have actually checked that out on our last video. Both of those, audio and sound effect. Okay, so we got now. Let's select one of these 5. We did this for the last one where it's in favour. Well, this one is like we're trying something to go against. Okay, so Panther 3 out there who knows the shop owner love it because it brings tourists. I like things better before now. Is a thrilling seeking and trafficking. You know, this actually sound like it's made up, that is not really true. So I think she's sure that people are making up. What do you think? If you're correct, say okay, the story there's definitely Panther. Say something that means there is definitely Panther. Well, no, he doesn't, does it? We're gonna go back, check. No, she doesn't know. I think that one is. Okay, the shop owner loves it. Suggests that the shop owners are making money. Yep. Yep. Would you like to have the police officer in your segment? I think she might work there because it's actually making it a bit as if, you know, that is a made up story, because then that sort of back up our story, doesn't it? So I'm going to use it. Yep. Okay. Now next one, we use that one. Probably them. We might use to make it. Okay, let's have a look at them. Remember this one with the frightening face and scream? We took that one. What do you think? Scary and vivid? Boring and too boring? I think she's quite scary and vivid though. So I don't know if that will work, because it's actually making it as if it's really there. Does the rest of the sound? She's so black. Yeah, she does. Does she strong verb? Yes, she does. Okay, small frightened. We did this last time, didn't we? But we want something to make that our stories, if they don't, it doesn't exist. But this person actually does, so it might not actually support our story. So we are going to be using it. And next one, let's use Black Panther. Hi, I'm Joe. So I remember Panther Club. I really enjoy. I made lots of friends. It's not so lonely around here anymore. I've heard about it. So he heard about it, citing They save them. So they say the Panther appears at dawn. I'd love to see it one day. So he hasn't actually seen it himself. So I think it's rumours. How did Joe sound? Is Brian cheerful, serious and thoughtful? He's quite happy because he got made some new friends, hasn't he? Number 3. What would Joe look like to most viewers? A respected Panther? A weird, fun guy? It's a social club though, isn't it? So I think maybe a weird, fun guy. Okay. And I'll probably use it to make a story like, okay, it's just fun, it's just a story, it's not true. I've got 2. Maybe a video. Remember this video? Okay, let's play the video. It's like he's drinking water. Just run. Okay. So, okay. Not really threatening. It's warm and relaxed, isn't he? Can you show this is genuine video? Well, no. It doesn't look real, does it? So I think I use it because it actually looks like it's a made-up one. 3. What's the other one? Do you think? Should we do paw prints? Oh, we did a photo. Wasn't it one of the photos made him look really, the last one? Made him look. This is a Black Panther image on the loose. Or in the zoo. It's on the loose. No, it's in the zoo, isn't it? It's a close-up, mid and long shot. It's quite close up. There's a black that looks threatening and harmless. Looks quite threatening though. But I guess you can say that it's actually in the cage, it's not out in the wild. So I might use that one. Newspaper report. Paw print. Let's have a look at paw print. It's a paw print in the garden, is it? Cool. Image of paw print help you. Could. It's a close up. Is this a close up? It's a visual. Looks like a dead flower. So you are going to use the paw print. I think so. This actually looks quite harmless. There you go. Okay, your checklist. Good work. You have 5 out of them. So this is where you want to go yes. Then you go to the next part. This is the editing process part, the segment part. Okay, so click on the computer. Here are the 5 items select. So now, if you can't access it and you're watching this video, now is the time where you can actually start writing about it by going back and forth to this video and using it to write your story. So I'll probably start with, okay, Panther's in there, here's a rumors version. Okay, here's the original version. So again, you can use those words, let me say what you said, to write your story. Write your report, sorry. Okay, good luck guys.